Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Ad budget perfectly. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, and once you are here you have to just simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar, and after that you have to choose the first option from here. And once you click on the first option you will get this option like this. So simply click on the sign in button or the start now button according to your preferences, and after that it will simply take you to this dashboard version, and from here you have to just simply click on the tools icon from here. And once you click on the tools icon, in the tools icon you will see these are the options, and here you have to just simply click on the budgets and bidding from here. And once you click on the budgets and bidding, here you will get the option of shared budgets. Just simply click on the shared budgets option from here, and once you click on the shared budgets it will simply take you to this page, and here you can see that all the campaigns that are currently running. Then what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon from here, and once you click on the plus icon, here you will get the option of create a new shared budget. So here you can just simply put in a budget according to your preferences, and after that you have to just simply click on the save and continue, and then it will most likely to give a perfect budget now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.